In this video, I'll show you how to cancel order on Grubhub. Get started, go ahead and open Grubhub on your device. Make sure that you're signed into your account. You can do this both on the app and the website version of Grubhub. Head over into your account now, and here you'll be able to find this sidebar. So head over into the upcoming orders tab by clicking on that upcoming orders tab. That will redirect you into this section. Here you'll be able to find your upcoming orders or your scheduled orders for the week. Under each of this date, be able to find your orders for that specific date. So you can simply hit on that cancel button beside the specific order under that specific date to be able to cancel your order on Grubhub. That is how you can basically cancel order on Grubhub. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.